Let's see how cats show affection. Will they be similar to dogs or different? Can you guess? Let's start today's video. Cat energy will bring you a good day.
Thank you.
He's so lucky to have such a cat.
Did you miss us?
It's bedtime for Dad and Kitten only.
Да что такое?
You won't need a boyfriend anymore. He is enough. New grooming service for cat.
Look at this.
Incoming call from Tony Stark.
How could he do that? Did his human teach him? Cat and television are never on the same team. Human must choose one. He's missing him when he go away for work. Like your partner, they check on you every day. They'll annoy you whenever they want to be petted.
Hey.
All humans want to give their kitten a kiss and more kisses.
Can I have a kiss? Thank you.
All the single girls out there will surely jealous of this cat. And no one can resist pretty girls, even cats. Dad's beard is so irresistible. No one can resist a cat's hug. Like a habit, 9 p.m. every day.
Thank you.
Age doesn't matter. Cats always choose to be the youngest in the family.
Y después dicen que los gatos no son dulces.
He only does this to his grandfather. For humans, more cats mean more fun. Cats prefer to sleep on you rather than in their bed. Like any other pet, cats want to be close to their humans. You are safe, and so are cats. Who wants to taste this soft skin? Lined up. And cats always enjoy teasing grandparents. Sweet morning with endless kisses.
Oh, Mommy getting muffins?
Who wants a model body? Adopt this cat.
Good girl, my baby, good girl.
When your crush ignores you, try again.
What are you doing? Hello. Sweet boy.
Is this cat's unique way to communicate? Human doesn't always understand cats. Someone hug the cat so I could take her place. Let me cat check when you're done with makeup.
Why does he love my makeup remover? Anyone else's animals like makeup remover?
They have their own secrets when the girl couldn't know.
No, no se hace eso.
Another couple sneaking behind mom's back. Massage staff give you extra service, which is sleep by your side. It's time to say goodbye. What about your cat? Do they sleep with you every day? Tell us. Thanks, and see you soon.